Hi, in front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to clear the browsing data on this device. First we need to open the browser, so let's tap on this icon right here. In the browser we need to tap on More Options icon in the top right corner and select this History option. Here we can remove the sites from the history one by one by tapping the X button next to them, like this. Or we can tap on Clear Browsing Data, right here. Here we have two options, Basic and Advanced. The difference between them is that in Advanced you have more types of data you can select to clear. As you can see, select the option you like. For example, let's select Advanced. Now you can tap on Time Range, right here, to open the list, and you can select last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. Basically, this is the time range you want to clear the data from. I'm gonna select all the time for the sake of the video. Again, select all the settings. You don't need to do that, of course. You just can select what you like. And once you're done setting it up, tap on Clear Data right here. And as you can see, all of the history was removed right here and the page is empty. You can tap on X right here to close it. And that's how you clear the browsing data on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.